Hey, there's Andre. How's it going?
I'm good.
What are you doing out here today?
I'm going to jump.
Are you serious?
I'm not sure. Maybe not.
But you're ready for it, right?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go do this.
Okay.
Welcome back.
Oh, wonderful.
How was it?
Great.
Would you do it again?
Yes, sure.
Awesome.
Sure.
Congratulations. You did it.
Great. Thank you.